Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to explore the delicious and vibrant Dominican cuisine. Get ready to discover dishes that are not only a feast for the palate, but also tell stories. So let's get started. We'll begin with a classic, rice with beans and meat. This dish is a symbol of Dominican cuisine. The combination of white rice, red beans and beef or chicken is a dish found on almost every Dominican table. It's a dish that fills your heart and your stomach. Now, let's talk about mango. This mashed green plantain dish is a typical breakfast served with eggs, salami and fried cheese. It's a dish that will make you feel at home, no matter where you are. And don't forget the touch of pickled red onions. Another dish you can't miss is Sancocho de pollo. This stew is perfect for sharing with family. With its mix of meats, vegetables and spices, each spoonful is an explosion of flavor. Perfect for those cold days. And we can't forget the pastelón de plátano maduro. This dish is a delicious lasagna made with sweet plantains, ground beef and cheese. It's a dish that combines sweet and savory in a spectacular way. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for joining us.